proboscis monkeys, the most aquatic monkey of all. They live alongside another denizen of the forest, but this one is a spy. He's here to meet whoever visits the river. The group is led by a dominant male, easily distinguished by his massive nose, used to amplify his calls. So the button-nosed youngsters have some way to go. The rest of his troop is made up of mothers and their offspring, including young males spoiling for a fight. But there's only one who's really in charge. Real orangutans are also drawn to the plants that thrive near the river. Any new orangutan always creates a stir. Best check out this one from afar. Now for a closer look. Perhaps wisest left alone.